What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. Me, Bo, and Mike are about to hit the river. We got about 7 hours to fish here. The water looks great, a little higher than normal, but the water temp should be up. Hopefully these fish are up on top, hitting that top water. So let's get to it. Got one on the top water. Yep. First top water fish of the year. Surprised me. Ooh. Oh, it's a nice one. Ooh, buddy. On that 6 cents. There we go. I don't know if it's 17 on that 6 Sense Dogma. Cool though. First fish, top water. Show you. Oh man, he hammered it. Another little guy on the 6 Sense Dogma. First day using this. A lot of treble hooks on this bait. Oh! Man, as soon as it hit the water, oh, he come off. Dang it. What? Oh, yeah. Oh! Man, he hit it hard. Number 5, don't hurt me. He's got all 3 of them treble hooks in his head. He wasn't coming off. There he is. That's a better one. There we go. Not bad.
I love these pants because when the water droplets hit me right here,
Yeah.
it bounce off.
Isn't that nice?
It is nice.
Number 6. Dang. There he is. Good Lord. This one's dark. Easy. Number 7. Well, that one's got its tail cut like that one I caught last year. Weird. Oh, missed it. Damn it. That was a decent one too. There we go. Man, first day using that Sense Dogma walking dog bait. Number 8 on it. Taco. Not sure what color that is, but oh god, we're gonna crash. I'm not sure what color that is, but it's nice. It's almost like a sexy shad kind of deal. All right, everybody, we are about 100 yards from the takeout. It's been a fun little short float today. I caught 8, all of them on that Sense Dogma, that walk the dog bait. That's the first day I've ever used it, but I'm really impressed. It's got some great action, real tight walk the dog action. But anyways, we're gonna take out here and get something to eat. Thanks for watching, and there'll be a new video coming out real soon.